Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to learn a really important word in English. That word is must. So what does this word must actually mean? Well, the word must has two different meanings, and today we're going to learn both of them together. First, we will learn must for a guess. Then, we will learn must for a rule. Finally, we will practice together. Let's begin. Sometimes, must means a best guess. A best guess means you think something is true, but you are not 100% sure. You see a clue and you make a smart guess. You have a good reason. Look at Nancy. See, Nancy is yawning. So why do you think she's yawning?
Well, a really good guess would be she must be sleepy. The yawn is our clue, right? We don't know for sure.
Maybe she's just bored. But sleepy is a very good guess. You see something and you make your best guess.
We can also use the negative form, must not, to guess something is not true. We just say, must not. So, look here. Eric ate everything on his plate. Everything except the pickle. He left the pickle. So what's our best guess about Eric? He must not like pickles. It just makes sense, right?
Yes. You're right. He must not like pickles. It just makes sense. Now let's learn the second meaning of must. Sometimes must means a rule. A rule means you have to do something. It is necessary.
Okay, picture this. You're standing outside the movie theater. You really want to go inside to see the new movie. So what is the one thing you have to do? That's right. You must buy a ticket. See, this is not a guess. It's a rule. If you don't have a ticket, you can't see the movie. Simple as that. It's something you have to do.
We can also use must not for rules. Look at this sign. There are sharks in the water. What is the rule?
We must not go swimming there. It is not allowed. This is a very serious rule to keep you safe.
Let's compare. She must be sleepy. This is a guess. You must buy a ticket. This is a rule. One is about what you think. One is about what you must do. Let's practice together. Andrew plays piano for 15 years. He must be a good musician. Is this a guess or a rule?
15 years. Wow, that's a long time. Let's think. Is this a guess or is it a rule? Okay, here's the answer. He must be a good musician. This is our best guess, right? I mean, if you do something for 15 years, you're good at it. It's a very good guess.
Okay, now, you're going to choose the right word. Is it must or is it must not? Ready? Okay, let's look at the first sentence. Trisha left early. She looked pale. So what do you think?
She must not feel well. That's our best guess, because looking pale and leaving early are clues that someone is sick.
Next one. You worked 18 hours today.
Wow. You what? You must be very tired for sure. That's a very logical guess.
Last one. The baby doesn't want to sleep.
He what? He must not be tired, because if he was tired, he would be sleeping.
See, you're getting it. We've just got one more practice to do. This time, I'll give you a sentence and you tell me, is it a best guess or is it a rule? You must show your passport at the border.
It's a rule. You have to do it. It's the law.
Perfect. Your cat ate all the tuna. She must love tuna. Guess or rule?
That's a best guess. We see the empty bowl and we guess the cat loves it.
All right, how about this one? His driver's license expires. He must renew it. What do you think?
That is a rule. His driver's license expires. He must renew it. In Canada, you have to renew your license.
Okay, last one. I need some cash. I must stop at the bank.
This one is interesting. It's a rule, but it's like a personal rule. It's something I have to do for myself. Because I need cash, it is necessary for me to go to the bank.
Now you know the two meanings of must. A best guess. A rule. You did a great job today. Thank you for learning with Zahra English Academy. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.